honest, do you prefer watching movies at home or at the cinema?
Personally, I prefer the cinema. The experience feels more exciting.
I get that, but I think watching at home is more comfortable.
True, but the big screen and sound in the cinema are better.
That's a good idea, but at home you can pause and rewind anytime.
I guess, but have their pros and cons.
Exactly. It also depends on the movie.
Yes, action movies are more fun in the cinema.
But for drama, I prefer my couch and some snacks.
Haha, I can agree with that.
So maybe we can mix both depending on the movie.
Sounds like a perfect